50 million people. And you go, that's a lot. That's terrible. I think we kind of act the way that Joseph Stalin described us. We really don't get it. I think it's time we get it.
Right where you are, I just want you to, right there in your seats, just shut your eyes. What you're about to hear are the sounds of metal BBs striking the side of a tin can. For every BB that strikes, it represents 10,000 lives lost in the wars of America's past. 10,000 lives for every BB. This is the reality of what is occurring in your country. The American Revolution, the Civil War, World War I, World War II, the Korean conflict, the conflict in Vietnam, September 11th and the War on Terror. Since 1973, the War on the Unborn Child. God help us.
God help us indeed. Just to remind you of the math, each one of those BBs represented 10,000 babies. Times those BBs equals 50 million. 50 million children who will not have their first birthday. 50 million children who will not go to Chuck E. Cheese's or graduate from high school or get a college diploma, or be walked down the aisle by their father, or have children of their own. 50 million.
$10 says he's not dressed yet.
Finally!
You're dressed!
No, better than that. Slang the Dragon. You can finally download the thing. So if you struggle with porn, instead of having to order the thing, you can download it like everything else we do. Drive-by marriage, drive-by parenting, terrified. Finally, Slang the Dragon. Downloadable. Sweet. Yeah!
Juan, seriously, it's downloadable. You can't even steal it.